Hi, my name is Ciara. I've been a lash artist for 5 years. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty. If you haven't already, hit the subscription button below. In this video, we're going to be talking about 5 things I wish I knew before I became a lash artist. My first tip is that tweezers make or break you. My favorite tweezer for volume fans is the Magic Mike tweezer. When you use the Magic Mike tweezer, it helps create that perfect point. That way you're not struggling, taking a lot of time to create a perfect fan. I also like to use the Curvy Babe tweezer to isolate. It puts less strain on your wrist than a straight tweezer, and it makes it a lot easier to get those lower level lashes. It's really important as a new lash artist that you have a ton of tweezers on hand just in case you do drop your first pair when you're just starting out. I also like the Vegas Knights. Those are another good pair to have on hand, but also make sure that you're testing out and trying a bunch of different tweezers because what works for me isn't gonna work for you, and everyone has their favorite pair. My next tip would be always to have a hygrometer in your station. A hygrometer is what you use to measure the humidity and temperature in your lash room. The humidity and temperature in your lash room is what's gonna affect your glue, which is what's gonna affect your retention. When you're first starting out, you might have to try a couple different glues just to see what works for you in whatever area that you live in. So make sure that you're always keeping track of the temperature and humidity. That way your retention is really good. My next tip is to be really active on social media. When you're a brand new lash artist and you come into your studio, you don't just turn the lights on and clients are lining up at the door. You have to make sure that you're promoting yourself on Instagram, you're sliding in people's DMs, and you're using hashtags on all of your posts. It's really important that you post every single day when you're first starting out, and also make sure that you're diversifying your content. You don't want to post just lash pictures. People want to fall in love with you as a lash artist. Anybody can do lashes, so make sure that you're really branding yourself and creating a lifestyle that's similar to what your clients are looking for. Another good way to get clients in your door is to do giveaways. You can do product giveaways, apparel giveaways, or full set giveaways. My next tip is to invest in yourself. You want to be a lash artist for a long time, so taking care of your body is a necessity. Massages, going to the chiropractor, even getting manicures are all write-offs that you can do to help create longevity in the business. A couple other good habits that you can start to incorporate into your day are stretching before you have clients, your wrists, your neck, and your back. Another good one is to make sure that you always take a lunch break. Give yourself that time to breathe, get outside, get some fresh air. And my last tip for you is to maintain a really good exercise routine. Since you're sitting all day, it's really important that you get out, move your body, and stretch. We also just created a great video about the ideal lash posture, so if you want to check that out, click the link above. My final tip would be to invest in a really good chair for you. You're sitting all day long and chronic back pain is a real thing. There are 2 options if you have a massage table. You can use a saddle stool or a kneeling chair. Or if you're sitting in a recliner, you want to make sure that your client is right in your laps. You can even use a chair from Home Goods. That's where we get ours from. They're really cute and affordable. If you wanted extra support, we also have the booty cush that you can use or any pillow that you can put underneath your chair to help support you throughout the day. There are a lot of different tips that you can learn over the years from a lot of artists. This is just what I've learned in my 5 years in lashing. My favorite tip is to make sure that you're really investing in self-care and taking care of yourself and your body. You want to stay in the lash game for a long time, and your body is your main tool. So make sure that you're really taking care of yourself and investing when you need to in self-care. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video brought a ton of value to you. Question for you, what do you wish that you knew when you first started lashing? Leave your answer in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.